You hear it?
Wait, what?
He said, "Wait,
Wait,
what?
I'm so confused.
What? Oh, yo,
Bro,
it's nuked. Why is it nuked?
no way.
Oh,
Oh,
Full clip.
thanks for the 20 bandos. Oh,
yeah, he did.
yo, 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 what?
Thanks for the 20 bands though. That was my favorite part. Now this story is insane. I'm talking about 3 rock pools, not only one, losing over $1 million in less than 24 hours, actually making a really small 30 grand from a rock pool, and getting dogs, home address, name, personal information at a 13-year-old, making 3 rock pools in less than an hour in Pound and Fun. That is the craziest story that I have heard this month. This is wild, really, really wild, and it teaches you everything that's wrong with crypto, everything that's wrong with Pound and Fun, and everything that's wrong with the current society and Gen Z. Everyone is mind washed now. Let me just step back a little bit and teach you and show you what happened yesterday. Now, this kid just launched his first coin yesterday called Gen Z Quant, and he sold it on rock pool for around 30 grand, which is pretty good for a 13-year-old. I don't blame him. If you got rock in a rock pool by a 13-year-old, I mean, that's pretty embarrassing by his own. But that was not all. No. He was just getting started. Now, that token actually right now is trading like at around, let me actually show you what is in, at $29 million and near $2 million in liquidity. So he, at all-time high, will have had over $1.3 million in holdings. That is wild. But he lost it. He sold it for around 30K. Now, once he's finished with that one, he launched another one called I'm Sorry, because the boy was feeling sorry the first time he rock pull, and he was just, he didn't feel good. So he launched another one, but he rock pull again. And if you go rock pull in the first one, and then you invest in this one again, and you go rock pull again by the same 13-year-old, I mean, you got to think about your life. You got to change your, you're doing something not right. I'm just going to tell you that. This one was another rock. He made around $10,000 with this one, and then if that was not enough, he launched the third rock poll of the day to finish up this amazing story, where he made another 10 grand. So in total, he made like 50 grand thanks to Pump and Fun traders, which of course you know how that works. You know what is in their mind. Now, this is insane. 50K in 3 rock polls, one each, one after the other. An all-time high, his holdings in the 3 tokens will have worth like $1.5 million. I don't even know. But this one happened like quite fast. It was fast. It was efficient for him, but really bad for everyone else. But the community actually went back and said, okay, this kid screwed us up. So we actually gonna get things going right now. So he's Kamas, he rock pulled the coin when it was around, I believe, $1 million market cap, something like that. So we're gonna get this running. So, and they ran the coin all the way up to around $40 million. That is meme coin community right there. That is insane. So he didn't have any tokens anymore, but his holding, as I mentioned before, will have been worth over $1 million. And liquidity at that point was over $1.5 million. So that is half stable, half Solana, half token. So essentially, he could have made another $500,000 in profit if he sold an all-time high of his holding. But of course, for a 13-year-old, a 50,000 profit by just doing some random live streams, some Pump and Fun, is already quite good. So we cannot blame him. But I mean, what an insane story. Agency initially initiated a cryptocurrency token named Quant on the Pump and Fun platform. He then live streamed himself executing a rope pull. Actually, the most interesting part was he was surprised. Like, what happened? He actually wanted to act like he didn't sold. But I mean, we have been on this for a long time. What are you doing? Scamming investors out of $30,000. Now, Pump the Fun is the wildest of the Wild West. It's the dark zone of the Wild West. So, I mean, everyone is getting used to that. Like, less than 0.1% of Pump the Fun users actually make money. They say 1%, but you know that is insiders. Less than actually normal people, less than 0.1%. So Pump the Fun makes all the money, and only insiders, CTOs, CEOs, and like creators actually make some money. Everyone else is just losing money. But I mean, it is what it is. In retaliation, the crypto community took over CTO, the token, inflating the market cap to $35 million. That was insane. The value of the initial stake in the token now exceeding $1.28 million. That's wild. I mean, this community also exposes personal information, includes identity, home address, educational institution, dad, mom, family, sister. I mean, this kid is done. He's having a bad day today, and his family is gonna take the 50 grand, and he's just gonna have a hard day. So I was just gonna tell you, if you're watching this video, which I'm pretty much sure you are not, just get back to school. Don't do this sort of stuff. At the end of the day, you're making money that your family is gonna take. You're gonna be getting in trouble, and this could really bring some consequences to your family if they find out, if they do something like this in your neighborhood, in your city, even with the police. Like, this could really go bad for you. So don't do this sort of stuff. At least you gotta be smart and don't show your face if you're doing it, because it can end up really, really bad for you. And actually, you are 13 years old, so it's really easy to go trending. Now, this story was crazy. You guys already know. Just be careful on Pump the Fun. I know you guys like to trade Pump the Fun, but remember, pretty much everyone is losing money. Just be quite careful what you're trading, what you're buying. And please don't get rocked 3 times in a row. I mean, you can get rocked 1 time, but you can get rocked 3 times in a row. That is impossible. I mean, some people are getting like, it's constantly getting rocked. I don't know where they're getting the money from to be giving it away to charity in Pump the Fun, but it is what it is. Now, some actually made money in this one, because it just went crazy. So if you bought it and then he rocked and you saw that you were all over and you were done, then the community run this to 40 million, you will have a lot of money. So yeah, pretty good there as well. So sometimes you get lucky and you actually can make a lot of money, but this is just 1 on 100. You guys can see the other ones. I'm sorry, is dead. My dog Lucy is dead. So all these are pretty much dead. So yeah, you gotta be really, really lucky to make some money with these cheat coins. So anyway, that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna see you later. Let me know what you think about this story. It's crazy. Did you get rocked? Did he go to you? And crypto does not stop surprising us every day. If this is the future of finance, we are screwed.